Obviously, Dama is first. Congratulations. And thank you for being here. Hello. Actually, we don't need to be here. Let's go straight to that. Hi, Dama. How's it going? Since you like the sword, I let you have the sword. Okay, so I haven't done much, to be fair. I feel like it's been like 2 weeks. The only thing I've been doing is drawing and animating stuff. That actually takes a lot of time, you know? And I haven't done much of the code, so I don't really remember much about anything. So the only thing that I think I've done is that this window is too big. Anyways, so we attack like this, like that, and the other attack is like this. Oh, I have to fix that. Damn it! That's my attack. Cute. Have a little sword. Maybe it's too small. Should I make it bigger? If I only take care of the visuals, then I'm not gonna do anything. That sucks. Okay. I do not have an idle sword. I tried writing a Nickerton Sama today and got frustrated. Oh, well, at least you tried. At least you tried. I'm happy for you. Aww. It's okay to get frustrated. I am frustrated right off the now, you know? Right off the now. I am super frustrated. Okay. So are we using stuff? We're using mouse 2, right? We're not using mouse 1, so I have to be into the mouse 2. I need to have an idle sword. I forgot about an idle, so I'm just gonna make one right now. Sword idle. Okay, and I'm gonna be taking sword idle. We're gonna be going like that. And it's going to be, yeah, 5 FPS is fine. I think we're good. Okay, so here we're going to be sword idle. Let's go. I don't get most of the stuff and I'm too embarrassed to ask, not going to lie. Guess I'll be done forever. Dude, come on, you forced me to ask and it was like super scary. And like, it's true that the first person was a little unhinged, but the second person that helped me was so adorably nice. You've witnessed that, didn't you? I'm pretty sure you looked up the post. So you know, hang in there. I know it's scary to ask because, but the thing is, you know, the thing I realized, especially with that incredibly nice person helping me over there in the Discord for the Godot, is that if that person didn't want to be there helping people and answering their questions, they wouldn't be there, right? I'm not forcing anybody. That's what I think. So if you have like, if there's like a channel, like if in the Necrodancer you have like a help desk channel or something like that, I think it's fair for you to be asking your questions. If nobody wants to answer, well, it's too bad, but also you didn't hurt or harm anybody, so I think it's okay. Hi, Kefal! Yes, Dama, you will be done forever. Oh my gosh. Dude will be dude. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. No, that's not. Damn it, I keep... Whatever, level 2. Let's try that again. It's scary to ask truth. Yes, it is! Okay, attack 1, attack 2. It's the tiniest movement ever. Let's try and change that a little bit. Maybe we can delete that frame and take that one instead. If I do that, play. Yeah, it's a little more of a movement. Okay, and I kind of want it to be bigger, a little bit bigger. Or is it too big? Like that. They're the same size, right? Oh, when I make one bigger, does that make everything bigger? Because that one is huge in comparison. I had to leave space in that one so that it had space to go forward, so I couldn't like fill out the whole thing. And that is the biggest sprite in the Ivy's paint that I am using. Oh, hello, Lupo and them. I was busy working here. You guys are having fun. Guess what day it is? To be honest, I spent the whole day thinking it was Sunday. Finally realized it's not, so I don't know what day it is. I debugged, so I understand why my code doesn't work. Oh, that's nice! I don't know what to do to solve it. Oh yeah, it's less nice. That's the thing, you know? Imagine I make a game and I put it online and I get like a ton of bug reports. What am I supposed to do about it? That's the one thing I was thinking about. I'm gonna get bug reports, but what do they want me to do about it? I'm dumb. There's no way I can do anything. What's Sneaker Dancer code in? It's Lua. Yeah, right. It's Lua. Is it hard to mod? I don't think it's that hard because there's like 1,000 mods out there, but it's not the easiest. But there's a nice like editor thingy, I think. My e-sword. Yeah, I should learn Lua. Yeah, apparently it's good, but I've got no idea. It's always nice apparently to have like different languages, but that's for people who are actually professional. If you don't actually need that, it's fine to just know the one language that you're gonna be using. Just a lot of modules and keywords and very few tutorials online. Really? That's crazy how many mods there are out there and nobody's helping anybody? And it seems that everyone just knows how to code. I know the feeling. I know that feeling. I know it too well. Oh my god, this feeling sucks. That feeling sucks so bad. Okay. Alright, well I've done what I could. Why are you here? Why are you here? You shouldn't be there. Okay, yeah, not all of them are bigger. Oh, what can I do so only one of them gets bigger? Oh, this is actually really big. Look how cute it is. I can't help thinking it's cute. Okay, this is too big. Guys, you're too big. You gotta be slightly smaller. Okay, but are they all like... Okay, this is still good. That one is too big though. Well, I guess who cares? Yes, it's gonna be okay. I can be okay. Don't worry, if you know one language and know how to code, learning a different language is almost trivial. I don't think so. With the limited knowledge I have of Godot, I still have like no way of understanding C#. And I say that because in the Godot thingy tutorial, you have like you can switch between GT script and C# and you can check out the differences in between, and C# looks so much complicated. You can shrink the entire animated sprite node, I think. Yeah, but I don't want all of them. I want that one to be a little I want that one to be a little smaller. But only that one. Yeah, it's going to do... Oh, that's... You know, that's okay. It's trivial. It's trivial. Okay. Alright. Well, thank you for coming, Kevol. And thank you for everybody here. So, wait, Lopo. What day is today? You didn't say. Lopo. What the hell? What the hell, Lopo? The dude come in. And it's like not letting me know. Well, okay, that is very GScript. Effectively, Python is the simplest language. It allows to do a lot of things other language have safeguards against because it's too dangerous. Like not declaring variable types. Yeah? I don't know. Huh? No, other have safeguards. Huh? Wait. I was going to say it, but now I refuse. What's wrong with the OWA? What's wrong with the OWA? Oh, it's just one small step upwards. Yeah, I get it. But it's like people learning languages, like normal speaking languages, and be like, oh yeah, now you know 2 or you know 3, so it's easier to get another one in there. It's like, dude, it's already hard enough to jungle the brain around 0 languages. Having more is not easier. Now, yeah, you kinda do know how it works better, but it doesn't make learning vocabulary easy. It's still hard. Anyways, so we're going to be working on level 2. Okay. Alright, so we do have the thing with the level 2 when we click one and it's... Wait a sec. So we should click the sword first and the other one second. But now we have to make the star appear. So now the stars are appearing like the level 1 stars, but I want them to appear level 2 style. And I did put it in already. I put it here already. You guys already know I showed you the animation. So star armor off, star armor on. I didn't fix it. I shouldn't have done what I just did. Okay. Is it Alt? No, it's Control. Oh, is it Shift? There you go. Yeah, because I thought it was a little too big. Here you go. Okay. So, So it's in the spawner, right? Wait. Level 2. Star preload. Okay. So we do have all the different stars in here. But it's still in the spawner though. So can I do like if level 2? Does it know? Star packet scenes. Can we do something here in the brackets? Does the star know it has armor yet? Do you have different stars? Yeah, I just showed you. The star, it has all the armor here. Does that mean that it knows? Or does that mean it doesn't know? God knows. You should tell God that it's level 2 once you switch scenes. Okay, not animation. Well, we never told the star about the story before, did we? Actual story scene object. The story scene is the script here. It doesn't know much. Apart from that. Yes, we can change the spawn function a little, that will help. Okay, fall. So before you arrived here, I was saying how I've been so focused on, you know what, those animations, it does take me hours and hours to make. And I have more than just what I'm showing here. I'm just not showing you everything now because it's gonna distract you. Meaning I haven't looked at code in maybe 10 days. And now I do not know anything about anything. And I wanted to have a look at it earlier. Then I got scared. And then I was like, No, I forgot about the sword, and then I was like doing the sword. It took me a little time. Anyways, so yeah, the stories. Well, I'm gonna brag about what I did without even showing you, but I still have to redeem myself in some ways. So I have the stories for level 3 and level 4 already. I have most of the cutscenes. Okay, I have the cutscene done 20%. But I have level 6 done like 80%. So, you know, I'm not doing anything. Time to remember code. Okay. Okay, we can change the spawn function a little. That will help. When we define it, we can give it a parameter, like spawn. Then you can use level like a variable inside the function. Cutscenes. Yeah, I haven't told you about the cutscene, because the cutscene contains the overall story, because I can't make something without a story in it. And I know you don't know the story, you only know about the gameplay. I still want to surprise you with some way when it's done. So when level 1 is over, it will cut to the cutscene, and when the cutscene is over, it will automatically go to level 2. And as you can see written on the screen, because I think you can see written on the screen on the side over here somewhere, the rules for level 2. So the cutscene will not be replayed. When level 2 is lost, you go back to level 2 beginning. You don't go back to the beginning of the game. So cutscenes will happen in between each level. So when you finish one level, you have the cutscene. And I'm taking care. It's not something that the gameplay will come in anyways. It's just like an animation that I need to make happen. I make the animation happen, and then we go on to the next. We don't want to see it twice. That's good. Yeah, obviously. And there's even going to be like a skip button or something. Because like, yeah, if you want to play the game several times. I mean, the cutscene is just going to be a few seconds, because like, I remember last year doing the like 3-minute animation or whatever. It took me like 2 months. And I had nothing much else going on at the time, except like I was streaming games most of the evenings or whatever. But yeah, so okay, let's focus on the code. So now we already have a spawner. Like I'm looking at it right now. The spawner says when we have a new story, we instantiate. We have the position and everything. So what we need to do here is like change the style so that when the story spawn, it spawn with the armor. But this time, when we attack the armor with the right weapon, with a strong attack, it switched to the previous story. And if that story is attacked, then we have the story dead. Like, so we go from here, and or we go from here. That's the other thing. We go here, we go here, we go here, we go here, or we go here and it's over. You know what I mean? So that means that how can we do we do it in the bracket, or do we do it in? Still not sure about God. Sorry, Kiful, I'm still not sure about God. So we tell God that there's going to be a level 1, and we're going to tell God that there's going to be a level 2, so that when we are in the spawner, the spawner will know level 2. And we'll know that it has to spawn differently. Is that why it is? First, that's important. God should know which level we are in. Okay, how do we let God know? Where do you change scenes? Huh? At the end of the level? What? Well, I'm confused by your question. All God needs is a variable level that has the number in it. What number? Oh, the number of the level. Okay. Okay, but the issue is that level 1 we called it main. Level 2 we called it level 2. Is that an issue? Which script does the scene change? So we have the script here. There's nothing much in here. Actually, wait a sec. We don't really have a script for level 1 actually. Because the level is written in the mouse. Oh, why is it like that? And then we have the spawner. And then we have the story. We don't really have a script for the level. In level 2 though, we have that. The mouse handles the level. Oh, really? Oh, I forgot to scroll it for you. Okay, is that better? It's too big, maybe. So the mouse handles the level, okay. There's nothing much in the mouse though. That's suboptimal, okay. Because we probably wanna use the mouse script for all levels, right? Well, no, we decided to do another one. We have a different script for the mouse too. Because we don't want that to be the strong attack to be enabled in the level 1. That needs to be a surprise for a player when they come to level 2. Okay, then it's fine. Where does mouse change the scene? Well, I don't think we've done that yet. All we have is the start screen, where we click on the start button and then it changes to the main screen. Then it changes to here. And then, because the cutscene is not here yet. So we haven't done, we just been... You told me you have a scene manager, I remember that. What's a scene manager? Whatever switches from main to level 2. We don't have that, I think. We just started making level 2. Because there's going to be... Oh, we haven't... Okay, maybe that's the thing. We haven't dealt with game over or anything like that. Because you have to lose on level 1 to be able to continue. So when level 1 is over, you go to the cutscene, and when the cutscene is over, you go to level 2. But because the cutscene is not here yet, it's hard, okay? Okay, scene manager is on our to-do list for another day. Don't know what the scene manager is. Is that a mod? Do I have to download something? For now, just give God a variable for the level. Okay. var level equal to 0. Click what makes sense for you. Is that good? Called it level. Perfect. Thank you! Now go to your level 2 script. Excellent. Thank you, Doma. Thank you kindly, sir. Okay, I'm on level 2 here. Not much here yet, huh? Yeah. is nothing much here. In the ready, let's put god.level equal to. Oh, it's a big G. Alright, why is there? Let go away. Good variable is a viable step for code organization, said someone somewhere. Okay, thanks Dama for contributing. We want this to happen when the scene changes later. This is just a temporary solution. Okay. Now at any point we can always just ask if god.level equal to do level 2 stuff. Alright, sounds good to me. That makes it easy to check. Okay. Oh no, if I start yawning now, we're doomed. Oh, we're doomed. I really wanted to come in earlier, but I couldn't. Dude, you have no idea how much having your period makes you tired. This is crazy. People are like, yeah, you have to move around. That will help. Whatever. Ah, water is good. Water is the truth. Water is the best. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, so that means we've done that now. Okay, so you said most of the stuff is in the mouse script. Well, it's still big though. Okay. Okay, at least we fixed that. I fixed that earlier. Strong attack is the sword. Okay, that's not all we need to. What we need to change is the spawner. I don't know how to let the spawner know. We could change the spawner now, but would put the features of the store in the store itself. Let it handle its own interaction. Features of the store in the store itself. What feature? Like the store could have a lose armor function and then the animation changes. Okay. So that is gotta put it here. Store. Okay, we have the die, the wind, the burn, the ready. Okay. It doesn't matter where I put it, right? Can I continue here or should I put it somewhere? I felt like running today and to some degree I regret it. Oh no, are you having sore muscle? Running, oh my gosh, I have such a contradictory feeling towards running. I absolutely hate it. I've always hated it, even as a child. I was slow, and I wasn't even the slowest in my class. Some people really hate it more than me. No, but like, I don't know. It hurts in the lung. It makes me dizzy. I don't know. You know what? I've been thinking lately. Have I had asthma since I was a kid and not know about it? Because running has always been the worst. I mean, I'm good with other sports, but nothing is really like that. Okay, let me focus. Okay, otherwise a different script would have to delete the armor star and make a new one without. That's way more complicated. You did some running, Dama. That's good. Whatever you want. Okay. Okay, so funk. Armor style. No, let's be professional. Armor on. Right? I'm just gonna copy paste that. Armor on. Animated sprite play. Store armor on. Why is it not happy here? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Are you happy now? Yes. Okay. That's if you don't pay attention, you can read moron. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Anyways, funk armor off. Store armor off. There you go. Alright. I used to run very often 2 years ago, but then I had a career-ending injury. Oh no, and I just stopped being consistent since. I know how it feels. I used to do yoga every single day and sometimes several times a day. For at least 30 minutes to at most an hour and a half. And then at some point I just stopped. And now just the thought of it makes me like, yuck, I don't wanna. It's hard to be consistent, but you still play basketball quite often though. I was training for a marathon at the start of the year and had an injury, and I have been miserable ever since. I want to run so bad. You do? Oh my gosh, I can't relate wanting to run. But like, are you better now? Is your injury like never going to heal? You could do other sports though. You could do bicycle. That's a good option, although it hurts the butt. There is nothing more healthy mentally than running. Oh wow, to me running really destroys me. I don't know why. Everything hurts instantly, and I'm not talking about now, even as a child. Everything hurts instantly, and I feel dizzy, and I'm bored. I enjoy walking though. Anyway, sports. What is there that I enjoy doing? I used to enjoy wall climbing. That was fun. But yeah, I was younger. Maybe there's a medical reason, but most likely you just need to start slow, only to do 2 minutes. Even 2 minutes, even the slowest of the slow. Like my chest starts to hurt. My chest starts to hurt, my knees hurt too, and my head gets dizzy really quickly. Then do 3, don't try 10 right away. Oh, I'm not trying 10, don't worry. I used to do like fitness sports, like a few years ago. I would go to like 2 classes a week. Each classes was like about an hour, a little bit more, maybe an hour and a half. And it was quite intense. And then I couldn't anymore. My form is terrible because of an injury I had when I was like 8, but I still enjoy it. That's great that you worked through it. Don't feel bad for yourself just because your form is not good. What matters is that you're still doing it. That's the thing about sports. Worrying about looking good should be the least of your worry. That should not even be a thing. Just staying alive while doing sport. That's the worry you should have. Sports. I mean, I still tell myself like you know, I walk a lot. I go up and down stairs several times a day. I don't need to do sports. Plus, I don't plan on living until 100. The best would be 60. After that, I told you I sit down. After that, I just sit down. I sit down and never get up. But yeah. But doing the fitness thing was actually fun because it was with music. It was in a group. I didn't know anybody over there, so I always had like a little panic whenever I went. But after a while, I was feeling a little bit better. Never talk to anybody, but that's the best that way. I don't want to be talking to everyone like I'm like sweating and breathing like it's my last breath. And sweat everywhere and looking terrible. I was always making a point to look terrible. I'm not the kind of person who like coordinate the clothes, have like typical sportswear. I would have whatever t-shirt and whatever pants that it's like stretch. I feel like that's the best way to deal with that. Because if you start caring about how you look, then you're going to start caring about how people look at you. If I don't care about how I look, then I don't care about what people think, because like, I don't care to begin with. But yeah, I had to stop that for reasons. But yeah, doing yoga was fine for a while, but I had to stop that for reasons still. I'm still really active though, so who cares? I'll sit at 60, that's my goal. Standing up till there, and then I sit and never move ever again. Okay, let's go back to this. Okay, we're serious people here. We're serious about the code. Okay, so now the star knows stuff. I'm gonna say that. There you go. Star knows stuff. Okay, so now we have to let the spawner knows about the star. So it already has the packs in. Do we have to redo that we changed it, or is it always updating it? I feel like we've done that because that was always going to be updated from there on, right? So okay, store.instantiate. Okay. Can I do like if on level 2 instantiate the store armor on? Or does it understand level 2? Can I try? I'm gonna try that. If there's no way it knows about that, but let's try it anyways. If level equal to, oh no, if god.level maybe? If god.level equal to, no, it doesn't like it. That's what we just did, bingo. Also that works? It doesn't like it though. It's not allowed inside an expression. Oh, equal, okay. Alright. Because we compare. If god.level equal to, okay, we don't want to change the level here, we want to check. Oh wait, that's, wait, no. Yeah, no, that's still good. Okay, if god.level equal to, new store equal armor on. Yeah, that doesn't work. Can I do that? Do I like it better? Oh yeah, it does like it better. Armor are not declared. We don't want to change the level here, we want to check. Equal change versus equal check. Using functions on the store. Works how? Using functions on the store. Using function. Do I have to make it a variable? Oh, I have to make... No. Do I? var star here equal that and play whatever? Is that what we do? var... No? Animated? Whatever? Huh? No. No! Of course not. Functions are with... Oh, does that still work within that instance? Oh, no, that makes it okay. Not found in base itself. Why? Why wouldn't you find it? Because you should. Should I do that? And then we do play. Why isn't it giving me the choice? No, because that shouldn't be necessary because we've already done that earlier. So it's probably not that. Okay, our version is armor on get started, but we don't want to change new star. We want to use its function. We want to use a new star function. I thought new star was a variable. So equal store dot intensiate. So is that store we need to change? Child new star. Because that's the thing to be fair careful. I don't understand how the spawn function knows about the store, because all the store function knows about the store is the packs in here. So because the Paxin is here, it should already know about the armor on. New store works because it points to the store as a reference. I know that's complicated, yeah. It does know, but why does it? It's pretending it doesn't. Do we have to do equal? I don't think so. Assume that new store works. Okay. Okay, I assuming. You're making the mistake. I'm making a mistake. Okay, yeah, that checks out. You're giving new store a new value. You're changing it right now, and I shouldn't. I shouldn't, because new store is already a beautiful being, and nobody should be changed from who they are. They should live their truth for the rest of eternity. I get that. Do you want to change it or make it use a function? I want it to use the function. So instead of equal, do I do dot dot? Because I think the dot dot is the thing that we do when we want something to be used. But it doesn't like that either. New star dot function. New star dot... That's new. New star dot function. Like that. That's how we use a function as a function. The dot let us access everything a class has to offer. Yeah, I've been learning about classes, but I don't think we've been doing classes in here, have we? Okay, I'm not doing it right. I'm doing it worse. When we do God.level, we use its variable. We take God and access what it has. And here we take new store and use its function. Okay. You are supposed to understand. Oh my gosh, careful. That hurts. was tricking you. Function isn't correct. What? Well, I never saw that, and that's why I thought that. Don't trick me. don't trick me. So what? Is that not good? Oh, is it new star dot armor on? Is that what it is? Excellent. Don't tell me I was supposed to understand. You have to assume that I'm not gonna. You have to assume I'm not gonna understand. But thank you. Okay. Okay, so if got level 2, new store dot armor on. Okay. But then it has to know that when the armor is off. Okay, no, it doesn't have to know. The store has to know, right? Oh, the level 2 has to know. Okay, now the... Okay, wait. The spawner knows that he has to go to armor to spawn the armor that way. Now, the level 2 will handle... Or the star will handle. No, the level 2 will handle that when clicked... Okay, the whole attack system stuff. Okay. Star needs to know if it gets hit. Yeah. That's what I'm... Okay, the star. Okay, so not the level 2, the star. Okay. Okay, how do we... Oh, this is getting busy in here. Okay, function die. That equal true. I'm just rereading everything for myself just for a sec. That equal true. Animated pride play. Okay, so that's the thing that's gonna happen in level 1 when it wins. Okay, when it's born. Okay. Float. Still not about that very much. Got that store. Okay, when we want to make use of a function, we use the die. I have to remember that. On button pressed. Die. Oh yeah, because it's working with the button, it's not working with the attack. Okay. The store also always has access to God, so it can also always know what level it is in if you need that. Thank you. So what I'm thinking now, because we used the button on level 1. Is the button the only way to let the star know that it's been clicked? It's been attacked? We might need to make our script more modular, yes. Yeah. Because in this instance, there's going to be 2 scenarios. 3 scenarios. First scenario, the star appears, it doesn't get attacked, and then it goes to star win. Second scenario, the star gets clicks, and then it becomes naked naked star, and then it gets to be clicked again. And third scenario, it doesn't get clicked again. Wait a sec. I need to make this on paper. Let me draw a little bit. So first of all, we have the store with the armor. Then we have the store naked. Then we have the store smiling because it won. However, if the store with the armor doesn't get clicked, then we need a store armor. Okay. that is shiny. Okay, I have to instantiate another star then. But it can also be a star with the armor that becomes a naked star. That dies. Explosion. So I need another state. Well, I can go back to idle then. Or instead, because yeah, I think it's a cosmetic thing. Sorry if you're saying something and I'm not reading it right now. I'm thinking a little bit, because if it's a cosmetic thing, I need to fix it later. Because if on the first instance the armored star, it doesn't get clicked and it goes to star win, the star that is winning is naked, so that means the armor would have disappeared. So there's not going to be a visual cue. That's what I'm going towards. There's not going to be a visual cue that the store cannot be clicked anymore. That's what I'm getting at. Because it's going to be the same armor. Star armor. Maybe I can make another sprite that is shinier to make it like don't click it anymore. Because I only have like a few seconds to click it to kill it. Okay, I'm right. I'm back with you. What do you say? Okay. To allow different clicks. Yeah. We have different attacks now, right? Yeah, we do. One attack destroys the armor and the other doesn't. Exactly. So, input map, we have the left mouse and the right mouse. So we've got the attack and the strong attack. The strong attack is the sword. The attack is the wacky thing. And we've already instantiated, I love to use that word. We've already instantiated that in here. Wait, did we? Where did we instantiate that? Here. We've already... Okay, if input is action just pressed. We've got the sword, and then we have the sword idle. And here we've got the attack and the attack idle. So we have attack and strong attack. That is already a thing. But that's not a function. It's very easy to make it a little bit opaque to have visual signal without you changing any animation. Okay. Like with a shader or something. Shader can change everything from what I've heard, but I have no idea how to use them. Our story for now is just button. So I won't yet understand that is click different. Exactly. I mean, we can make like if button pressed right, nothing happens, and if button pressed left, then that works. But then and then we would have to make a new button be activated when the first button is deactivated. That's complicated though. I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. That seems more like a SimStimD kind of thing. A shader could change literally everything, so switching that on and off is another option, but complicated. Okay. Well, okay, whatever is like just for looks, I'll try to take care of my own. Now if we could just like work out a way for the star, because it does have, okay, maybe, okay, because the mouse does have, where is it? Offset animation, no, texture. Collision shape, there we go. So the mouse does have a collision shape, so and I've disabled it obviously for obvious reasons. Yeah. So we could probably use the collision, right? That's so weird that just the action of clicking is not a thing already. This is a carfuffle. Carfuffle. Garfuffle. I don't know, is that German? Okay, if the store knew that the mouse was going to do that, then maybe that would work. Can we put that into the store? If action is just pressed, strong attack, the store is attacked or something like that. Collision would work, but then we would have to flip between different collision shapes. Yeah, that's why we use the button, because that's not unclicked. There's no unclicked. So that's complicated. The alternative is to get a reference to the star, after all, which we avoided so far. We did, but then we do need to raycast after all. I'm thinking if there is a really easy solution. I'm pretty sure there is. There has to be. All we want to do is click a thing. It shouldn't be that difficult. I'm not criticizing any of what you're thinking, because I got no idea myself. But oh my gosh, the food coma is dawning onto me. I guess we could use God. It's bad coding, but would work. Every time we switch our weapon, we tell God that we did. And the story asks God what weapon is active when he gets it. Okay? But what you said about we avoided to reference the store, what do you mean by that? By the way, since this project has become like an actual collaboration between you and me, let's face it, this is no longer my project, this is a collaboration project. If you ever want to come in VC and talk instead of typing, you're welcome, just let me know. But also, if you'd rather do that offline, feel free to let me know as well. Should I try to research some tutorial about that right now, or... Clicking. So far, the start is just a simple button. So it uses Godot's own implement, mouse click. Exactly. But the attack on itself is already set up as a click. So that's my question. Why isn't that just a thing? Because we could be like on attack because that's the name of the attack. That weapon is used. And on strong attack, that weapon is used. So those would be new functions. I would advise learning how to raycast. I have never heard of that before. I'm gonna write it down. Raycast. There you go. It's written down. Means we check what is below our mouse cursor. Get all those objects back and then give the objects command. That is exactly what Gaia already does for us with the mouse click. It's just pre-implemented. Well then, isn't that what we should be doing? Alright, let's have a look. Raycast good art. Raycasting, go to documentation. One of the most common tasks in game development is raycasting or is casting arrays. A custom shape top. Wait, what? Hi Maru! Hello! Why are you hitting us with cute Juno? Hey, how's it going? Oh! Your biggest fan, aka Dharma, sent me the link for the presentation that you did. Cause I love Juno, okay. I mean, yeah, but like Juno says hello, not Juno says hi, I'm cute. Anyways, so yeah, I've watched the presentation about the thing that you were talking about that I didn't know what it was because you didn't know what it was, but Dharma knew what it was because Dharma is your biggest fan. Anyway, I watched it. I'm glad you were doing the thing and people were like, oh my gosh, presentation is so good. And yeah, presentation was good. I didn't really understand everything, but that's normal. But you really dumbed me down a lot. Not enough. Good job anyways. Hi Ohio, there he is. Alright, Godot stores all the low-level game information in servers, while the scene is only a front end. As such, raycasting is generally a lower-level task. For simple raycasts, nodes like Raycast 3D and Raycast 2D will work. So we'll have to have a look on that. As they return every frame... Oh, that's what you said! But I do not know what that means, returning frame. What the result of a raycast is. They return every frame, what's the result? Or is that English? Thank you, glad you enjoyed the talk. Yes. Hi Dharma. Didn't you say hi to Dharma already? I'm so sleepy now. This presentation caused me so much sleep. Oh. Well, good job on doing that though. By the way, Kifo did the Gala Jam. I played the game to equal. I contributed lemons. Okay, I don't understand the sentence. They return every frame what the result of a raycast is. Many times the raycasting needs to be a more interactive process, so a way to do this by code must exist. Okay, let's see Raycast 2D. What is that? The documentation on Raycast 2D. Array in 2D space used to find the first collision object it intersects. Oh, that's really clear! I like that, okay? That's what we need. Why do they call it so catchy? It's just clicking. It's Raycast 2D equals clicking, people. Let's make stuff easy. A raycast represents a way from its origin to its target position that finds the closest collision object to D along the path. If it intersects any. Yeah, it's going to, it intersects. Raycast 2D can ignore some object by adding them to an exception list by making its detection reporting ignore area to these. Collide with area, physical body 2D, collide with its body. Raycast 2D calculates intersection every physics frame and it holds the result until the next physics frame. For immediate raycast, or if you want to configure a raycast 2D multiple times within the same physics frame, use force raycast update. To sweep over a region of 2D space, you can approximate the region with multiple raycast 2Ds or use shipcast 2Ds. Alright. Okay, I don't have 100% understood everything, but we're gonna use this for clicking power. That, I think I understand. You're doing great, Orestia. It sounds like you're making a lot of progress. Well, I'm glad it sounds like it. Clicking power. Yeah, we're gonna need some clicking power. Well, I'm glad it sounds like it. Doesn't feel like it, but okay. Method description. Add exception. Clear exception. I don't. Why? Well, tell me how to use it. How do you use it? Hit from inside equal false. Okay, I don't really understand. I mean, I kind of know what a Boolean thing is, but also I kind of don't get it. So when they tell me bool and then they say bool is that, but int is that. Int is instantiate, right? I love that word. But how do I know if I want to bool it or to instantiate it? I would know if I understood it, I guess. Collide with areas, collide with bodies. We're gonna make a body, right? Wait, is the star a body? Because the star is not an area. What is the star? The star is animated sprite, but originally it's a rigid body. Oh, good, it's a body. Okay, so collide with the bodies. True. Okay, so if we do. If we do mouse collide with body equal true, and if no. Oh, I lost it. Oh. Am I at least on the right track here? Well, these can bump into each other. Areas are like ghosts. Okay, but I have a body here. All we really want is for the mouse to get a reference to the star. So we can do star.you've been hit with this attack. I like that. But the mouse currently doesn't know the star it clicks. Okay. So we need a collision, right? I think that's how people do it in the tutorials. The star, okay, the star. I'm on the star already, right? On collision. The star doesn't have a collision, so we're gonna make one. But wait, because that's because the star is the same star no matter what outfit it gets. So if we just put a collision like that, it's not gonna know, is it? Because it's not just any star, it's wait a minute, oh my god. But we have two types of attack. So we put a collision on the star and we put a collision on the mouse. Can we make a collision on the mouse that will be different depending on what weapon it's holding? Collision aren't more for movement in the world. not for mouse. We could use it for the mouse if we wanted. I'm gonna transform into a blow buffer now. Good luck on your collision. Well, have a good night of the sleep. And enjoy sleeping. And drink water. And eat some chocolate. And that's about it, I guess. Thanks, Babu, for coming by. Bye bye. Take care. Simplest way: attach 2 different collision chips to each of the mouse. That's what I was thinking about, but how is it going now? One attack activates shape 2 and deactivates shape 1, and the other way around. Okay, how do we... Is that a thing? That would be great. That would be great. Thank you, bye. Bye! I have 24 hours on Space Wars because I helped someone playtest again and uses the Steam servers. It looks like I pirated games. Oh, awesome! Good for you! Dorma the Pirate Fox! That's really cool. Dorma the Pirate Fox! That should be a game! Anyways. Okay, wait, what were you saying? Okay, activate shape 2 and deactivate shape 1. It is the light max, right? Can I link that to that? Probably not, it's not a good idea. Set collision mask value. That looks like something that we could be doing here. Oh my gosh, I'm finally reading something useful. Should I do that? Set collision mask value. Layer number. Instantiate. Value. Boolean. Okay, I don't understand anymore. Instantiate collision mask. The rest collision mask only objects in at least one collision layer enabled in the mask will be detected. See collision layers and masks in the documentation for more information. If true, collisions will be reported. If true, the parent node will be excluded on the collision detection. If true, the way will detect a hit when starting inside shapes. In this case, the collision normal will be vector 2. Does not affect concave polygon. Wait, why not? Why not? Are you polygonophobe? Oh my god. Don't mess with light masks for now. Really, I felt like it was a good idea. That's not awesome. I'm against piracy in most cases. I didn't pirate, just... Don't worry, Dhalma. I know that. That's why it's cool. You look like a pirate when you're not one. They are moving out on the Epic Games stores. I already have it. I already bought it a year ago. But yeah, Moving Out is a very fun game. I played with Canny once, I think. Yeah, I think I did. Like forever ago. When we were getting to know each other. Back in the days, I was still a little scared, so I was trying to know people before I was getting them on stream. But nowadays, I don't even care anymore. But yeah, Moving Out is a very fun game. It's also very infuriating because I hate when someone else is like slapping me in the face. But it's funny when I slap other people in the face. I haven't done that many levels, but I already feel like I've exhausted the game. Get collider shape. Return the shape ID of the first object that the ray intersects, or 0 if no object is intersecting the ray. But the thing is, we don't just want it to intersect, we want it to click. Because if it's just hovering, then it's not fun. Get collision mask value. Return whether or not the specified layer of the collision mask is enabled, given a layer number between 1 and 32. Alright. Return the normal of the intersecting object shape at the collision point or vector 2. Why are you putting vectors in here? I don't like it. Bool is colliding. Return? I don't understand the word return. To me that has a different meaning in English. That's why you don't want to grow the channel, so you know each and everyone and can play games with them. Yeah, it's better that way, isn't it? Except it's fine, we don't need to click because we do that ourselves in the script. You think? Based on value, enables or disables a specified layer in the collision mask, given a layer number between 1 and 32. I don't think that's wrong. Get collision points. Return the collision points at which the ray intersect the closest object in the global coordinate system. If hit from inside is true and the ray starts inside of a collision shape, this function will return the origin point of the ray. Don't understand the return. What would that be in Jupiterian? What does return mean? He's coming back? This function will come back to the origin point. Is that what that means? Check that is colliding returns true before calling this method. Hello, Electus200. Hello. What's up? Nothing much. Having a breakdown in my brain. Okay, what you say, Kefal? Mouse clicks, ray gets shoot, and it returns the info to us. Also, it's not actually doing the thing, it's just letting us know about the thing. Oh, now it makes sense. In the code, we will have it available when we ourselves do store.do things. Oh, we're gonna give something new? Hacker stuff? Does that look like hacking to you? No, we're not hacking, we're making a game. We're making a game with stores, and that's about it really. First game of my life. I'm learning GTScript right now, and I'm learning how to use this hack my ex Insta. Dude, leave your ex, forget about them, and live your life better. Sorry, it's okay, don't worry. No, I'm making a game for the very first time in my life, and I'm learning GTScript for the very first time in my life, and I know nothing about being clever, so it's a struggle of every moment. But thankfully for me, we have Kefal over here that is the big brain of the operation. Functions have two more important functions we have not used much. Parameters. Yes, true! I know that. Which we talked about a bit. When you give the function an info, like we use spawn, this is the current level. So the spawn function knows the level info. But functions can also return infos to us. Okay, that's something I don't really understand. It's gonna return info, okay, but we already know everything. Assume your function is calculating stuff. I hate calculating. That's okay though. It's okay, I can try. Okay. I don't know, lastly, I see she posted a ring in Instagram post. Oh no, I think she opened the ring store or something. Well, rings are pretty, you know. Anyway, yeah, anyway. You should get over it. You should get over it, Alexis. I know breakups are very hard. But yeah, checking their Instagram might not be the best thing to do. I mean, except you decide to stay friends, but like, it doesn't look like it's working for you. Either you want to root for her, or maybe just forget about her. Yeah, life is hard, I know. Function do math, and inside the function a lot of math happens. We just pretend. Okay, we pretend we do the math, but the function is doing it for us. I love this. I love this. I'm just kidding, don't worry about it like this, don't worry. And at the end, the math gives back 30. We can use the code line return 30. So it spits that solution back how? Huh? So we tell him the solution is 30, and then it does the thing and says 30, because we wanted him to say 30. I wouldn't call that math. I see that's Godot. Yeah, I told you it's Godot. I'm learning GDScript. Now we want the solution in one of our variables. We just say our new variable x equal math. Now we use the math because we need the solution. We obviously don't know it. Okay. I don't know how it works. Good luck. Thank you. I'm gonna need the luck. Well, I hope everything is fine with you, Electus. Good luck, Toe. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a new function. That's what you're saying. Up till here, I'm okay with you. But now we're going to have to give more parameters to the function so that the function knows which level we are in. And depending on what level we are in, it's gonna have to work differently. Maybe even more simple. You need hope, I think. Oh my gosh, I need all the help in the world. There's not enough hope in this world for me. I'm gonna try though. The function adds a plus b. Math, ab. Okay. I like letters more than I like numbers. Thank you for understanding that. We give a and b to that function, which is the different states of the star, I'm assuming? And spits out the solution. Everyone needs luck. Yes, everyone needs. See ya. See ya. Bye bye. And to get the solution out, just want to check. Yeah. And to get the solution out of it. Okay. We grab it out by assigning it to a variable. Okay. Var solution equal math. Yoksha! Once again, you catch me in a brain dead moment, but thank you for thinking I have a big brain. Thank you. How's it going, Yoksha? That's what a return is. So making that... Damn it, there's a fly! The hell, it's coming out. Oh, I opened the window today. Don't worry about it. Sorry. That's all. Seeing it that like it's easy, I understood like half of this. And the raycast also spits out info. It returns something. Yeah, it said return a lot. Just having issues with the word return. Can you change return with another word? Cause it's confusing. Why? Where did it go that it has to return? Assume I am the function. Yes, we've already made a variation with you. We can do a function with you too. And you use Keffel function, yeah? And I write in the chat. That's me returning the info. So your function is to be writing. So as you write, that is returning info. Is that what it is? I do my stuff and bring it back to you. Like right now you are a function, but you go to the kitchen, you make some food, and you come back with the food, and you write in the chat, I did the food. Is that why it is returning it? Fetch me info equal return. Okay. Yes? Alright. I think I get it. Or I give you the food. That would be awesome. That would be really cool. Okay. Maybe it's a cook function, then you take out the food from it. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's a lot of information here. What are we doing again? We're doing a raycast, right? Oh, what? Oh, is it not what we're doing? We're gonna be doing the raycast any moment now. 2D raycast. Yeah, is this a node or is it a function that we need to do? I think it's a function. I didn't see a node here in the documentation. Okay, so we're going to be using a raycast so that it tells us which collision mask is on, and knowing which collision mask is on is going to let the mouse know whether it successfully killed the store or not. Is that right? Is that what we're doing? A function that's already in Godot. Okay. So it's ready. We just need to know the code we need to write. Okay. It will give us back everything that below the mouse. Just info. Yeah, but then it's gonna do the thing. It does not do anything. Oh, okay. It just looks for us. But we already know. We just need it to know too, right? We do it, okay. Okay, so we tell it to know what we already know, so that then it can do the thing that we tell it to do. Okay. So should it be in the store script or in the mouse script? I think it should be in the star script, right? We ask Raycast what's under the mouse. Raycast says this star is under the mouse. Then we can yell at the star and tell it to do things. That happens in... Damn it! I was so sure that it was gonna happen in the star. If it happens in the mouse, okay, well we're already in the mouse, that's a good thing. Okay. So is it the get collision mask value thing we're gonna have to use? Return whether or not the specified layer of the collision mask is enabled, given a layer number. I feel like that's what we've been talking about, isn't it? Get collision mask value. Okay, where do I put it? Just anywhere or under a function? We have ready and we have process. I feel like it should be in process, but because it's a float one, I'm not sure. It's also Boolean. I don't know if it's important information. I'm in the store? Damn it. Okay. I'm in the house now. Damn it. Okay, I'm in the mouse. So, maybe we should do it in process then. I don't remember why I did that. Is that important? It will happen whenever we do inputs. So we put it in the function input. But we define a function for the raycast itself. Okay, so it doesn't matter where it is. Alright, so function. Raycasts. Well, you don't know raycast? Why you don't know raycast? Wait, search help. Raycast. Raycast 2D. Force raycast update. Well, that's the thing I read about earlier. The 194 is useless, I think. Okay. Okay, so those are not function though, are they? Collision object 2D. How am I supposed to know which one I want? Get collision max value. I don't think we need a get function. Target position. No, we don't need that. It's probably that one, collision mask. Wait, why is the music stopped? Stream is offline? What the hell? Try again. Wait a minute. I'm gonna go on YouTube, find more music. I can't do this in quiet. I can't do this if it's quiet. I need a minimum amount of noise. Don't really like that. Okay, that one is good. Alright, we're back here. So, okay. So we're going to be using collision mask. No. I mean, it feels like collision mask is the best one here. But do we need that when we have that here? Is this a function in itself? Set collision mask value. To raise collision mask, only object in at least one collision layer enabled in the mask will be detected. But the store has only one collision. It doesn't have one collision per state of animation, does it? Am I frying your brain? Keval, if it's getting too much for you, just let me know. We can take a break or you can go away and I can try. Don't worry about anything. Ugh, don't get stressed about helping me. That's what's important. I'm just reading documentation here. Maybe I should look up a tutorial on array casting. It would be great if you got near or something like this. Admit raycasting. Recast code art. Good for raycast tutorial. Oh, it's a 2-minute tutorial. Do you think we could watch it? Do that because I got deep for a bit. Okay. I'm gonna go and watch that. Is that okay? People do reaction video all the time. Maybe it's okay to watch that video.
So, raycast 2D. If you're using 3D, it'll work just the same. You can grab this little dot right here and hello everyone.
Okay, wait, you're moving too fast. Let me share that here. No. Where is it? Here. Okay. Oh, don't worry, I was doing stuff. Okay.
I'll be showing you how to use the raycast in Godot 4. To start, I'm going to add the raycast to my player. So raycast 2D. If you're using 3D, it'll work just the same. You can grab this little dot right here and drag it out.
So we do have to use
the size. You can reset. You can even scale over here. So let's just do 200. Okay, you can see it right here. Make sure it's enabled. And exclude parent.
It's showing us.
Is it will ignore the collision it starts inside of. So for instance, our player has a collision. Well, if you have the raycast inside of that, it will detect it. But if you press exclude parent, it will exclude the parent. Great. You can either add a script to it or to the player. For this tutorial, I'll be adding a script to it. Okay. And to check if it's colliding with something, all we need to do is if is colliding, and that's it. Here we can print colliding, and you can connect this to a bunch of other stuff. You can have this, trigger other events, but this is the very basic how to tell it to collide. Now back over to the raycast. If we go to collide with, you can see here we have an option for both areas and bodies. This will be what it ignores and doesn't. So if I press area, it will detect this area right here. So if I press play and I go over it, you can see colliding. This is because our raycast 2D is touching this area. So if it was like this, it wouldn't be. And you can even do the same thing with not colliding. All you have to do is else. If we do else, we can print not colliding. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like it.
Okay, so I don't feel like I know more than before. I mean, obviously this helped greatly, but I don't understand how it's gonna help me here. Wait, first of all, I can't stand the silence. Music on. Okay. Alright, so okay, let's try and do it my way. Now that Kifl is not here, we're going to make all the mistakes we need to do so that Kifl can come and fix it later. Let's do this. Okay, so we are in the mouse. The mouse needs to know what kind of store it's standing on. Which is why we need the raycast, if I understand correctly. Oh my gosh, I'm completely lost. Okay. How about we make variables instead? If we use the star armor as a variable, okay, I'm not thinking about it the right way, because in my head it's still like if something is clicked, but if something is clicked it doesn't exist in here. But the raycast is not clicking either, the raycast is returning information. So if we put a raycast on the mouse so that it goes over the star, it's gonna know the star is here, but it's not gonna do anything to it. But it's important that it knows. I think I'm chewing something much bigger than I thought. Damn, making games is just getting harder and harder. I thought this would be the easiest game in the whole world. Because I don't think we can, like, make this work with the button only. Making anything is hard. I don't know. You can make everything, but you can make it ugly, or you can make it bad. But you can make everything. That, you can't even make it ugly if you can't make it out. That's why it's impressive. Yeah, people are really impressive. Self-taught people, I don't know how they do that. And I don't feel like I'm in tutorial hell, because I haven't been watching tutorials lately. But I definitely feel like, because everybody does platformers, it feels like, at least I'm good at. Everyone is doing platformers, so I'm not really getting the information that I need. Maybe that's the issue a little bit. Still, that's how you get self-taught. Yes, sure. It will true. Oh, I thought it was such a good idea. That kinda sucked though, that even though I have set up attacks, it doesn't mean anything to the computer. Because I have strong attack here and attack here, why can't the star relate to that? Because it's just an input. But the input is the clicking, and that's all I need. Can I make strong attack into a function? Probably not. If I can put a function on each and every attack, then I just have to use them. That would be great. Okay, it feels like I'm just trying to know stuff without actually learning the stuff. How do I... Like, I didn't even know the word raycast before I used it. How to click in Godot. I've got to see if someone... How to click sprites. Easy. A year ago. Move to click, not really. Move to click, no. 3D mouse tutorial, no. It's 28 seconds, let's have a look. Wait a sec here. Alright, I've done that. Well, that's it. Okay, if event is input event mouse button and event.pressed and event.button underscore index equal button left. If get rect dot has point to local event.position print. But instead of print, I would do something about the store, I guess. Wait a sec. No, because that function input event is basically what the input map is. He just wrote down what the input map was doing. So we don't need to write that down. No! Sorry about that. I mean, okay, I'm gonna be real with you here. I kind of know what Kifol is trying to do, but also I don't understand what Kifol is trying to do. I know that what the raycast will do, I just don't understand yet how it's gonna help me. So if I do here in the process, if input is action pressed, strong attack, the animated, if I could put that into a function, can I turn an input into a function? Let me Google that. Can I turn an input into a function? In Python? No. GD script. Input examples. How to make functions. How to take text input. Yeah, it does not understand my question. How do function work in JavaScript exactly? I feel like I already know that. JavaScript.com functions are a way to group together sections of codes. Yeah, I don't know that. Input examples. I don't think that's what I need. Event versus polling. Oh, input is a function in the first place. Yeah, obviously. But the attack is a parameter of that function, so it cannot be a function in itself. Wow, okay, 2 hours of doing that and we got nothing done today. Okay, input event mouse. Can we look that up? Input, yeah. Event mouse. Oh, come on, you're supposed to have it. Input event. Input pickable. What's that mean? To be true. Collision layer. To be set. I have no collision layer set, to be honest. Called when the mouse pointer enters. Wouldn't that do the same as raycasting? Yeah, we're back at the same ones that we had in the raycast. Okay, what if I do that? Set collision layer value. What if I do that to the attack? If I do that, set collision layer value 1. It doesn't like it, it doesn't like it, it doesn't like it. Ah. Because then we could put that attack under that layer value, and then we could put another layer value into a strong attack. But it doesn't like that. Too few arguments for it. Expect at least 2. But received 1. What are you talking about? Set collision layer value. Where was I? What was an input? No, I wasn't here. Collision? Oh, okay, layer number and value. Based on value, enables or disables the specified layer in the collision layer, given the layer number between 1 and 2. Well, I thought the number was that one, and the value is true, right? True? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah. Does that make sense to you? Okay, if the accent just pressed attack, but then you set the collision to 1. Doesn't mean anything to anybody, does it? Let me see what you're doing. Kepo! I'm losing it, Kepo! I'm not doing anything. This is just stupid. I tried to think with my brain. It's just not working. It's a good idea to keep the class reference open while you're working with events so you can check the event types, available properties and methods. I don't know. You can encounter errors if you try to access a property or on an input type that doesn't contain it. Yeah, I know about the input map. Oh my god. If we're Waycast, we do not have to do anything with any collision shape. But you can do instead, because this is complex. I prepared a star. Well, you said I should do it in the mouse. Give the star function so it knows what it got hit with. One function for getting hit with a strong attack. One for a normal attack. One for whatever weapon you have. Okay. Okay, so we go back in the star and we make a function so that it knows it's been attacked. So we're gonna do but that is still button story. We're still working on the button in here. So we can keep that button. We just need, because this is still going to be true. By the time the armor is gone, we have to kill it a second time and that is still gonna be true by then. If we do it in the store, it feels like we have to rewrite the whole thing and try and work without the button. Or else we make a new store for level 2, like we did a new mouse. What I mean is... yeah, the store knows if it has an armor. Does it know though? Cause I did that. Yeah. Okay, when armor on and armor off. Do you want to set the raycast on to that? Maybe make sure you have a variable for it as well. Oh my gosh, wait a sec. What time do I go to work tomorrow? Okay, so still got time. Alright, sorry about that. As I have explained, the raycast only uses it to give us the store we click on. It does not do anything else. hands us this star, so we do stuff with it. Because we want to do different stuff if we click it with a different attack, right? So yeah, that's your goal. The different attacks to different things. Wait, because when you say it give us the star, isn't that the spawner's job? To give us the star. So now we decide what the attacks do in the star. So if I tell the function armor that if the input left click, if the input dot strong attack, is that a thing? If input dot strong attack, not, it doesn't know. If input dot left, no, dot mouse, no. Action just pressed. Just pressed. Strong attack. Let me try to explain again. Yes, please. After the spawner did its thing, we don't know where the star goes. But now the spawner hasn't even done its thing yet. It hasn't given us the armor, did it? Did it? Because I put the function armor here, but the spawner doesn't know in what order to do it, right? This has nothing to do with input, okay. Alright, let me just erase that, like nothing happened. We get this star, we have control over it, and we know which kind of attack we did. This is not part of the star. But now we tell star we hit you with attack X. So no input or anything in this star. Just function for attack 1, function for attack 2, function, okay. We decide which function we use later. So we just need to tell the star that there is a function for attack. So we give an attack function to the star so that it knows what's going on. Is that what you mean? Yeah, I'm still at baby level, not gonna lie. The only thing I know about this game is the sprite, the collision shape, and the timer. Oh. Give the star a function called hit with strong attack or something. And what happens in this function is what happens when the star gets hit with a strong attack. This is totally up to you. Okay. So I'm gonna make the function. Okay. I'm still gonna make it fun. Strong attack power. It's power like this. No, how'd you call it power again? Yeah, it is power. Power like this. Okay. Strong attack power is my function. Let's go. Does it explode? Does it lose armor? Does it change animation? Does it die? Whatever the story itself needs to do. Okay. Okay, so function strong attack power. First of all, armor off. Oh, do I need to make it into a function? That's all that happens, right? And then if we do another one, funk, attack power. So if we just have a normal attack, then it's die, right? But that's what we already did with the button. So we're going to be doing it a different one. Armor off is perfect. Thank you. You probably want to save a variable so we know if it has armor or not. That's for us to check. Could be a boolean. So I know who that dude is. I'm not 100% sure what I'm supposed to do with it. So, what variation do you want? So, a variable that changes every time the armor goes on and comes off. Every time the armor goes on or come off. So, a variable for losing, you mean? I mean for winning, because, yeah, when the star loses, the player wins. So, variable star naked. I can't take this seriously. Var naked star equal true. I don't know. False. Which one do you prefer? I'm not sure I understand why we need what that doesn't need to do anything. It's an information. Okay, so that we know whether it's wearing something or not. Okay. Well. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think I understand. It's the same thing that when we did K-fold and when we did chocolate, right? That we know which state it's in. Okay. The function for armor on you have right now. Have a good analogy for it. Hear me out. Okay. Imagine there's a person in a burning house. What you're doing is grabbing their arm, dragging them out of the house and putting them somewhere with the animation. The person will be safe, but it has no clue what's happening. The person didn't see the fire. If I come to it later and ask them what's up, they say no idea, Orestia just put me here. Okay. So after that will be very unhelpful. It does do the correct animation, but it doesn't know why. And we can't ask or find out. Do we need to? So that means that strong attack power armor off. And we put the variable here, which means naked star true. Is that what you want to come to here? So we need to put that at the top. Is the rest of that? Can you go faster? Come on. Oh, don't want to go faster. Should have just clicked copy and paste. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We got a variation right here. Okay. If it has a variable like armor on equal true, then you go to the person, tell it there's a fire, and then send it out so it's safe and it knows why. Perfect. Why is it important? Well, if it hit it with an attack, I need to know if it has an armor. And so far, I couldn't find out anyways. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you! You're doing a good job. You're doing great. Alright. Alright, so now we know, and now it knows. Right? So under attack power, I could now do... But the attack power doesn't have an armor. If it has armor, it doesn't die. If it doesn't, it dies. Oh, wait a sec. So we have the naked star. Do we still use the naked star then? Attack power, naked star true. Oh, well then, strong attack power, naked star false. And attack power, naked star true. Okay. Okay. If it doesn't, it dies. If it doesn't, it dies. Does that mean that you need something like naked star false? Would that be something better? If it's not naked, then it's... Is that one of those instances? Or was it better before? Oh, if. That would need an if. Yeah, put the if! Cause that's a comparison of a chance. Yeah. Assignment is not allowed. Yeah, it is. I'm telling you, it's allowed. Oh. Like that. False. Better? So not when I attack it with a weak attack. It becomes naked. No, it doesn't. I thought it become naked when the armor is off. Yeah, because it's already big. In here, it's already naked. Because it's just if it dies, that means it's naked. So when you strong attack it, that means it already has the armor. So the naked story is not naked. But then the armor comes off. We can change this order if you prefer. Strong attack is for taking off armor, right? Yeah. So we need the naked sword to be true here? So it's here in armor on that I need to put the naked star false? There's no armor anymore. Okay. So here I do that. And here I do that. Like that? Correct. There's no armor anymore. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So function armor off, naked story true, copy, paste. Damn it. The normal attack is not supposed to kill an armor star, right? Yeah. The normal attack. That's why I said if it's not naked, then it's false. So under attack power, normal attack. That is the normal die with when the star explodes. This is not when the armor comes off. We want the die to be under an if condition. Okay. Because now die always happens, no matter what. Okay. If... oh, okay. So... we need the if to be first. If the star is naked, then it dies. Yes. Okay! Perfect? Oh my god, careful! False can go. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Alright. So does that mean that now we don't need the button anymore? Should we try it? I'm scared. Now it only dies if it's naked. We haven't tried anything for a while. We will replace the button with those new functions. Oh, but it's not spawning. The armor is not spawning. Okay, need to be precise. Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, cause like, you need to be clicking on it. If you just move when it does pass, then it's not gonna work. Well, that's okay. I'm afraid so far we didn't do that yet. That's okay. But that's what the raycast does. So we've been raycasting here? I like that much better than having a button, to be honest. We can do the armor thing though. Let's do spawner again. We haven't done the recast thing yet. Just prepared what happens. Okay. Okay. Do you mind giving me just a sec though? I'll be right back. Like, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Alright, I'm back. You know what? I keep seeing stuff about people like, you know, professional or whatever. When they do, like in the get death log or whatever, they do stuff and then they scrap everything and they start over because they had a better idea. Well, you know what? That's what we're doing right now. We're going to find a better way to do stuff by not using the button, which is fine. It's totally fine to redo whatever we've done before, even though we've done it. But now we know, because like this is a learning experience for me. True, yes. So I've learned how to do stuff using a button, so now I know in the future. And now we're going to go ahead and do it differently, because yeah. It's okay. Alright. So, I stepped away for a minute, and now, I don't know where I live. I don't know what planet I'm on. Buttons are useful and basic. You will need them plenty, so it's good to know. Yes! True! And that's because of what I did with you, that then I learned how to do the start here. I even watched the VOD again so I can remember how to do the stuff, because it was already gone. So you know what? Okay, so now where are we? We're in a spawner. Okay, we're going to be making spawning things. We need to make the story spawn. Okay, can you go? Why are you here? I need to be in this here. Spawner. Yeah, we are confused what armor didn't lock. Let me see the star again. Alright, we're in star. We have a spawn now, new star. Spawn. Do we need to import the packs in again because it changed? Or does it know already? That's a spawner. Oh. Star, there you go. Wow, it's getting long. We have a lot of stuff in here. Okay, Kiful is true, you started born once. Thank you for forcing me to write notes, because I was completely forgetting about that. Win happens for the start. Okay. Then we have die, dead equal true, animation play started, and then it waits for the animation. Got score, got dot storm, Q free. Okay. Born overwrites our armor. Really? Function born. Star born. Q true. Oh yeah, because the story is born. Okay. Make an if that checks if naked or not. Okay. Alright. If naked star or star naked? I don't remember. I think it's naked star. Naked star equal true? Yeah, if it's true. Wait, what? Oh, okay. If naked story. Alright. But you will know that's for level 2 only, right? Then we need an else? Okay. If naked store level 2, can we do that? If it's naked store and it's level 2. No, if it's naked store, wait. And it's level 1, then that happens. Else, don't need that, okay. Because we know it's naked or not. Okay. Spawner did that for us. But the spawner is going to make it spawn with the armor. But in the level 1, we needed to spawn without it. So in 9:30, yes? Mm-hmm. And copy what we add in the if. The 3 lines. But at the end add animated sprite of play armor. The one on? Wait, instead of that? Yeah? Let's try that. Wait, if the star is naked, you play Star is Born. Or else, you play A Star is Born, and then you play the star with armor? Isn't that weird? That here? Shouldn't that be here? Did I make a mistake? Okay, want me to try? I can try. Damn it, my bad. Level 2, there it is. Oh, that's weird. Okay. It should just be here. That should happen afterwards. Okay, killing it doesn't seem like it works. Okay, that doesn't work clearly. It should switch to armor once it's born. We switch to armor after it's born. Oh, it won't play the spawning animation. Might need to change this, yes. Maybe we should do that. So that it stays a little longer. Because I put it on repeat, the animation. The spawning animation for the armor. Well, I was thinking that the armor didn't need it. Okay, now it stays a little longer. And yeah, that's the one I was talking about earlier. I should make a winning state with the armor on. I didn't think about that. But I don't know why that doesn't work. I thought we did that. Okay, what if I do... No. The spawning looks good to you? Yeah, I just want it to be like this. Coming in like that. Because this time it's a warrior, you know? Yeah, I should move it a little bit. More like that, I feel like. Cause, or else it's not really clicking it, I think. The spawning looks good. Yeah, this way it's a little bit better, I think. There's less chances to be clicking outside of it. Okay, well. You like the sword? Thank you. Because, like, eventually we will get rid of the cursor, so we just will need to see the sword, I think. Okay. Maybe you need the unique spawning animation for the armor. Yes, I do. It changes because it's the winning animation it shows, yes. But the spawning looks good to me like this. Thank you! I like the sword. Thank you! Okay. Thank you. Alright, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to work more on animations. So that 3 animations for all the swords. That's a lot of animations and I'm really slow with it. But should work anyways. I mean, I'm able to do it. The winning one will take me... Because anyway, for the winning, actually I can just do it now. For the winning it can go back to being idle. Right? We just talked about it, right? So... But now we have to make it be it. Store animated, armor on, armor off. So we always have to have 3. So we're gonna make 1 new animation, store armor when. And that's gonna be Star armor on. For now, it's gonna be this. We're just gonna have to change slightly the color or something. Maybe we can make it faster. Like... oh. Like that. So when it wins, it's a little faster than when it just spawn. For now. We'll see later. Okay, script. Star. I like the story too. Thank you, Dorm. Oh my gosh, you guys know I like validation. Thank you so much. I think you like the other animations I have in store. Okay. Okay. Oh, cancel. I didn't do anything. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's save now. Oh my gosh, I almost closed it again. So where were we when we did all that? We were here, right? Can you go away now? Go away. How do I make it go away again? By clicking on something else. Okay, there we go. It's gone. Okay, now we have more space. Okay, so we have... okay, I can just get rid of that, right? Okay, if all is true, we're gonna keep that as well. Animated sprite play, star armor on. And we're gonna do 1.5. There you go. So then we do the same for the win, right? If naked star if naked star star armor win. Else is it because of you? There you go. Did I do something clever or did I do something stupid? I'm stupid again, obviously. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Alright. It works! Okay, yeah, definitely gonna have to find another way to make it winning because I'm gonna make it glow or something. Yeah, because this is very confusing. Okay, but now none of the attack work now. So how to make the attack work? I thought we did that. But that is only for level 2, right? Did we tell it that it's only level 2? No! That's level 1. Oh. Everything is broken. Okay, so right now it's always level 2 because we didn't implement anything else. Okay. Just tell it God at level equal 1 if you want level 1. Where do I say it? In a ready function. In the God stuff? In the main scene? Not in God itself, in a ready function. Okay, here. God dot level equal 1. And level 2 got level 2. Okay. Exactly like that. Awesome. But does it know which level it's supposed to be? What we just did? Okay, that is we don't need that. Let me know if you're running out of scene, Griffle. When you open a scene, every script in that scene does its ready right away before anything else happens. So now that we're in level 1, okay, that's weird, and in level 2, okay, in level 2 it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does work. Damn it. Okay. So we should tell it somewhere here that the naked star, about the naked star thing. Start main again. It's still armor? Yeah, it is armor in the main. Is the main script actually used in main? I don't know. There's nothing much in the main script apart from that. And the score. And the label. But we did most of the main script in the store, remember? In the spawner and in the store. This is where we've got everything. Put in mass 1 then. Yeah, that's the mouse 1 script. In ready? Oh, the god stuff? Okay. Ready. God dot level 1. And mouse toe. God dot level quarter. Okay. I know now. Show me the star again. We put default, not naked. default should be naked. Default should be naked. Yeah, true. In the born, if naked star equal true. Oh, okay. So if naked star is true. Oh yeah, that's why. Okay. Else. Alright. So it always starts naked, that's it. Oh my gosh, you're so clever. So here we have naked star false, which is great. Naked star true, which is great. Okay. And if not naked, die. I guess. Alright, let's have a look. Wow! Awesome. 3 points. Okay. Awesome. Oh, that is okay. And if you try level 2, why? Okay, so in level 2, okay, should we do like level 2 equal? Where is the ready? Ready. Funk ready. Okay, maybe in the star? Oh wait, no, I'm in star. Level 2. Evo.god 2. And that means start naked false. Can we do that? Or else, how does it know that the level 2 works differently? We have nothing in here. Oh no, we have the mouse, okay. It doesn't know, but we tell it. We tell it here. We do everything ourselves. I know. It's too much work. Yeah, it is. Okay, what if I tell it? Level 2 equal naked star. It doesn't like it. We told it to armor on if it's level 2, for example. If we want anything else, we need to tell it. That makes no sense. What do you want it to do? I want it to know that on level 2 it's not naked. Because right now it's starting the level 2 naked. Look. It's level 2 when it's naked. We have to let it know. Level 2 equal not naked. Should I put a variation here? The naked star false? Did you tell it it's level 2 in the mouse too? Well, I thought we didn't need it. Mouse 2. Input, process, ready. Yeah, we did here. Level 2. We did. Needs to be a script that is used. I think we aren't using level 2 scripts. Perfect. So the spawner isn't doing it right. But does the spawner knows about the levels? Ready pass. Spawn. Since we told God, everyone knows. We told God that there was a variation of the level. Go to our star, okay. Can make it easier. Because our star also knows. Oh, the star doesn't know. But the star is always there, level 1 and level 2. Okay. Oh, we did need to do not naked. There you go. Because we made it naked true, so we need it to be false. Yeah. Oh, naked star equal false is better. I thought that was a shortcut. Maybe I didn't understand everything. Alright. Okay. We use equal and exclamation for comparison and for declaration. Okay. Gotta get myself a better brain. No, it didn't work. Oh. Actually, it looks good. But why? It wasn't doing that last time. Last time it was just appearing. I like it better when it just appears, to be honest. It gives the player a sense of it's different this time. What have I done that's different? On. If naked star. Yeah, it should be playing the star armor on right away. So our starborn is too long, huh? Starborn is too long. It's the same amount of sprites though. And it was working earlier. If naked star, but it's not naked, so it should go here right away. Is it because of Keffel? Oh, maybe it's because of Keffel. Should we just get rid of Keffel here? Okay, let's just test it. No. Still the same. It's not because of careful. Check when we call born. Well, I think that was the only time. So we've got Kifel. Then this is Die. This is Win. This is Born. This is the only Born that we've got, to be honest. Here, on timer timeout, look at that ready function. Ready function here. On ready. Oh, but we said it was level 2. I think this area you can't see yourself. The issue is exclusively in the ready. Okay, so on ready. Okay, well then if got level 1, would that work? If got the level 1, no if needed. I just tell it got level 1. We need no extra line of code. We need no extra line of code. Everything is correct. But what exactly happens when ready start? Well, when ready start born is here, but we don't want that on level 2. That's why I wanted to make it level 1. We always want born, that's fine, okay. The computer starts ready. Yeah, I like ready. What is the first thing that happens? Well, the first thing that happens is that the star is going to be born. And I don't want it to be checking what level it is all the time, because we're going to have 6. Exactly. Yeah, we need it to be born the right amount of bursting, closing. When do we tell it that it's level 2? We want to tell it it's level 2 right away, but when it's level 3, what are we gonna do? Okay, when do we tell it it's level 2? When level 1 is over. Think about it like this is a human and your code is a text message. Well, when level 1 is over, please go to level 2. The first thing you tell that other person is to start born. But you haven't told them that the star isn't naked. Because you tell them 5 minutes later. Because it's in the level 2 that it's not naked, so of course they don't know yet. Do you want to put that on the first line? But bingo. Do we get rid of that one? The whole thing? Oh. But that's what I was saying. It's okay to be like that now. The first thing we need to tell this person, let's call him Dharma. Hey Dharma, we are on level 2, then change the story to armor. Yeah. Well, yeah. But then, when we're on level 3, what are we gonna tell him? If we don't tell him that Dharma is not gonna use the armor. We didn't tell Dharma in time, we told him way too late. But that... Oh, cause we're... No, we are in star, we're not in level 2, we are in star right now. So we're going to have a bunch of ifs here. If God.level 3, if God.level 4. Is that how we're gonna do? Which is not too bad. Yes, okay, then that, yeah, then that makes sense. We only have 6 levels, it's fine. We can make it nicer later with a switch. With a switch? What do you mean? Why can't we do it now? This way we don't have to worry about that later. Or maybe we need to actually make the levels first and then we can do it. Okay, I get it. Switch is shorter way to write a road. It's just nicer. Okay, but that is annoying because you're not supposed to die with that. You're supposed to die with this. The switch is a shorter way to write a load of it. It's not something different, it's just nicer. Okay. Oh, it's even dying while it's been here for a while? Okay, everything is wrong here. That's next then. Yeah, that's next. Does that still work? Lucky stars! Yep, it still works. No, it doesn't work. What? It was working last time, we didn't even touch it! Now it dies even when it shouldn't? Why are you dying when you shouldn't die? Did we not do it properly last time? I can't remember now. I think we did do it properly last time. I feel like we had a sense of accomplishment. We must have changed the beats in the star code. Don't think we changed that though, although yeah, of course we did, because if not then it will still work. It's probably in the mouse code though. No, it's not in the mouse code. What? Why are you laughing? I'm glad you're happy. Maybe because you deleted Kifo. You still live in. I deleted Kifo? You can't delete Kifo and not expect it to not break. Did I delete Kifo? What did I do? Kifo, come back. Where did I delete Kifo? It's in the store? Oh, I did that. Why did I do that again? Oh my god. Fuck. Luck. Uh-oh. No, it's still not good. It's still not good! Sorry. I'm losing it a little bit. That make it fall. Did you delete me? I didn't want to. I was just like, but like, why? That's the one, right? Then why? Yes? Check born again? If naked start born. Okay, full true. Should I put keyful last? Does that change something? And win? Naked star. Chocolate true. Chocolate? Yeah? Chocolate should be false? Wait a minute. Chocolate false. Win happened for the star. That, okay, win happened for the star, so it should be false. Chocolate is not in the first if. We need to be in both. Needs to be true. Oh, okay. I'm breaking more thing. Okay. Pluck, pluck. Are you sure chocolate should be true and not false? Because when it falls, the win happened for a star. Okay, try false. Okay. Try. It's probably not gonna work though. Okay, wait. Well, I'm gonna leave it false in both. Block. Nope. Still not working. Look at our process again. Okay. Function die. Maybe because there's no chocolate in the die function. No, we don't need chocolate in here. Naked star. Star armor rain. Chocolate. Balls. I think chocolate will be true here though. Process is where we hit it. Here? We don't have much process going on. I was gonna be doing something with the game over and the cuts in here, but because not yet. I forgot how we did it. We deactivated the button. We deactivate the button. Disable? Show me die again? Don't mess with the button. Okay. There you go. Die. Dead equal true. Story dead. Increase score Q3. Just in the code, okay. $23 needs to be in both. That's how the button is deactivated. Alright. Tricky can be set to true in both. Okay. That was the issue? Okay! Fuck. The button kept being active. Wow! My gosh. You're so clever. Should I get supplements for brain power? I know they sell that. I don't know if it's true though, but they have like vitamin for focus and stuff. Anyways. Okay, well, we did stuff. I mean, it's been 3.5 hours. Didn't amount to a lot, but it was fun hanging out. Oh my god. I need to find like a rhythm on working on animations and working on code. It's just don't have that much free time. Yeah, it's called smart drugs or something. I don't use it. Yeah, it's natural with you. You don't need that. You're clever on your own. I need clever pills. Anyways. I need to get in the zone somehow, so I understand everything better. Alright, well, if it's okay with you, Gifle, I think it's better to stop now. You're probably really tired. I've been tired the whole time, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, well, yeah, I need to like, yeah, now I know. I need three states for each different stars. I need 2 states for each different weapons. Enough for now. Thank you, Kifol, for helping. I mean, for collaborating. At this point, this is a collaboration. You know that, right? At this point, this is collaboration. I mean, you don't have to show up at every point. all the time. That's for sure. You don't have any obligation, but yeah. This is Wacky Star by Orestia and Careful. Which is great, but I kind of hoped I would be able to do it on my own, but definitely I can't do it on my own, so definitely I need your help. The next one I'll try to do it more on my own. The next game. Alright, saving. Let's go to the office for a sec. Oh, damn, I've been citing way too much. Alright, well, I hope your happiness level is in the green. Hope your happiness level is okay, Kifel. Take care of that. Alright, I think I'm out of things to say for today. So, yeah, as I was saying the other day, I won't be able to be there on Sunday because I've got stuff. And I won't be free until the next Sunday after that. That's a long time. I try maybe to come up every time I have a little time in front of me. Maybe just for gaming or talking, or maybe in the Discord only. But you know what? That gives me plenty of time to get all my animations ready, hopefully. Because I can jump into that more easily, that I can jump into the code. I'll try to keep on watching tutorials. To be fair, I haven't been watching much tutorials lately. I've been watching mostly game dev vlogs. I mean, I have watched a few tutorials. There's a guy that does pretty interesting tutorials. Forgot his name. Dev Worm? I don't remember. So I watch that from time to time, but I plenty know that whatever I'm watching I'm not using, because his game is completely different than this one. Like, in a platformer game, usually when you want to hurt the enemy, everything is done with the collisions. But also, they are not using the mouse, they're using the arrows. Maybe that's the big difference. Because the character has to collide with the thing. So they are the hitbox and the hurt box. I've learned a little bit about that. What are you so happy about? But yeah, we don't need the hurt boxes here, actually. Because our stars don't really get hurt, they just change state. Yeah, colliders are for moving things and stopping them and stuff. And hurting too. But like... what was it? Yeah, I guess in platformers it works different. Maybe there's different rules with the mouse. I thought when I came with the idea of doing this, we don't move anything essentially, yeah. I thought everything would be easier with minimum interactions, and I thought that doing the mouse would be less interactions and that would be easier. But it turns out to be so much different than every other tutorial that I've watched. I'm gonna try, when we finish that game, I'm gonna really try to edit a video that looks into the process of making the game, like kind of a devlog, but like a little bit more detailed about the code, because it's probably already out there, but I couldn't find anything like that. There's a couple people who did like guacamole games, but they didn't explain the code, and most of them were too old. They were in like previous versions of Godot, and things changed a lot, so that's why I thought maybe I don't think that's gonna help anybody, but also reviewing everything and compiling it in a video that I can explain to people would prove that I can understand it as well, so that would be good, I think. It's true, it's always platformers funnily enough. Yeah, because it's really easy to make like a tile map or something. Godot has it really easy for people to do stuff. If you look for entry-level tutorials, yeah, it's true. That's why my second game will be a platformer actually, but it's going to be different. I already have an idea in my head. I already have an idea for a game. I don't have all the game mechanics and stuff, but it's not gonna be really complicated and it's not gonna be really long. It's just going to give me the opportunity to play with tiles, map and stuff so that I can understand how it works. Because in the long run, I still don't know if I'm going to be using tile maps or not for my actual game, for the game. For the game, I don't think I will be doing it in pixel, even though pixel art is really enticing to try. Because it forces you to have like a certain consistency, because it's only the pixels. When I draw, I lack consistency, I think. Like you can see it with my emotes, none of them look alike. Because whenever I open like a new project for drawing, I always do things differently. I never search for any tutorial. I prefer jumping straight into the code without knowing anything. I get angry because I don't know anything. That can't be true. I'm sure you've been watching a bunch of tutorials, Dharma. There's no way. I mean, not finding the tutorials and not watching them is different though. But yeah, most often than nothing, you really have to find the exact thing that you need. Same come for that thing that I was doing with following the arrow, the cursor, get mouse location or whatever. I actually found that code very randomly in a video of a guy who was doing a tutorial for a really general thing, and he just wrote that one line of code without even giving it a second thought. When I was looking for days for a code like that. Anyways. But yeah, I guess it's even more of a daunting task to be doing a mod, because that means that you have to play with the code that already exists and make it your own. You can't just do whatever messy code that you want to do, because then it wouldn't work. You have to do the thing properly, I assume. That's why it would be harder. But given how much they like mods and stuff in that community, I'm sure people will be happy to help. It would be great if someone was like, okay, let's give a tutorial for people who want to actually participate in it. There's no way they are keeping it when the main game developer is out there talking about his personal code online. Anyways, all of that is very complicated. My friend's daughter, because I have a friend who has a daughter. That's very funny, because my friend around, like, I have friends that have 30 years in age difference. This is crazy how much my friend's age range is. But I have a friend who has a daughter. I think I told you about that. That I went to, did I tell you I went to a party that was like a year ago or something? She invited me to her birthday, but because her daughter's birthday was close, she did a big party for her birthday and her daughter's birthday. And my friends who didn't know me, they thought I was there for the daughter's birthday. And I was like, heck no! She's a teenager! How can you mistake me for a teenager? Anyways, I'm not a teen. Oh my gosh. I leaked like a very important info right here. Anyways. What was I talking about that? Oh yeah, because she's studying code actually. She's actually going to school to study the code. But I think a programmer and a game developer use code really differently. So whatever she's learning, I don't think it really relates to what I'm learning here. Not only with the language. Because I don't think it's really the same. Because most of the videos I watch on YouTube about people making games, they're always like, oh yeah, I'm doing a game for the very first time and I know nothing about game development and whatever. But turns out they've been a programmer for 30 years. So of course it gets easier for them. But it's still hard from what they say. I mean, it's harder when you haven't done any of it though. Anyways, well, that's a story from a year ago. Let's see in 1 year from now if we finally made something happen. If you have an idea brewing in your head for long enough, you don't have any other option than make it happen. That's what I believe. And this is why most of the projects I have I don't do, because I forget about them after a while. There's a few novels I was in the middle of writing and then I got busy with something else and completely forgot about it. And then I just didn't have the will to do it anymore. Not because I gave up, just because, whatever, I don't remember the plot. But with this project, I've been taking notes. I've talked about it with you guys. And that's why I want to make it happen. You can write a project list. Yeah, but if you make it a list, then it becomes overwhelming. I think it's better, even if you have a ton of projects that you want to do, it's better than you choose one and you take care of that one. When that project is over, you're probably going to have other projects that you want to do then. That probably will be better. I do that with melodies I think about, and then I play them and see if they will work out. Oh yeah, with music it's different. You'd better keep like a register or a list of all the melodies that you have and see if they can fit with each other. Dharma Fox, the music producer. We would be a really great team if I was good at art. Because we got Kifel at code, Dharma at music. But I suck at art, so I can't even be good that way. So I'd rather be doing my own thing. I'm not close to being a music producer. Yeah, obviously, but still, you're doing it. You're still doing it though. You did a few remixes already, which is pretty impressive to me. Maybe not impressive to you, but it's impressive to me because I wouldn't know how to do that. Even though I did study piano for a year, I know nothing about how to take something that exists and make it different. All I'm saying, you can be proud. And there's different ways of being a music producer. Not only hitting billboards. That doesn't mean anything. I barely know music theory. Well, that's okay. Do you think the Beatles knew music theory? I don't think so. I've heard that when they were younger, they lived in Liverpool, right? And they didn't have a proper music teacher. They were just very passionate about music and they really wanted to do music. So they would be learning chords from people. They had a friend who went on a holiday, I don't remember where, and they learned, I don't remember, but like let's say they learned like the D chord or something, and then he came back from holiday and he was like, hey guys, guess what I learned? I learned the D chord. And they were like, heck yeah, D chord, let's go. Because they didn't know it and there was no internet obviously at the time. So that's how they learned music, by getting knowledge from other people, and in the end they make pretty good music. I still think it's a crazy story, the Beatles. I really like them, but it's really crazy. And they started being famous in Germany before they were famous in England, from what I heard. Like, I read a breakdown of Memories from the Tunic soundtrack, and the first 30 seconds of the song are so much deeper than I thought. Yeah, that's the thing. Listening to music and hearing what the composer had in mind when he did it are two very different things. Especially someone like Danny B something. Because he's a sound engineer and a music producer at the same time, isn't he? Which means the music has meaning when he does it. I have no idea how far that can go, but yeah, he's doing art with it because he's telling a story with it. And yes, that's very hard to do. But he's been doing it for a long time. Don't compare yourself. One day you will be the famous Dharma Fox. I mean, if you want to, you don't have to be famous. I don't aim to be famous either. I would just be happy if whatever I make, people play it and are happy playing it, even just for a second. By the way, Kifo, you have to tell me when you finished the game, because you said you would be still working on the Boo game. So that I know when I can play it again. Every music has meaning. It's just that with theory, you can know how to create the meaning you want. Still working on it. Yeah, take your time with it. I'm making the pantry now. Awesome! Take your time with it, but just let me know. Because I want to play it when it's completely fully full. I mean, I wouldn't go as far as saying every music has a meaning, especially when you're talking about mainstream music, when people make music on autopilot. But I'm glad to know that music has meaning to you, Dama. Because music is really dope. And I have a theory. That's a stupid theory, by the way. It's a very stupid theory. But you know how people often use the BPM for the heart to make music? So that apparently it's supposed to be calming or something. Like the heartbeat equals BPM, something like that. And I've never had a good rhythm. So I was thinking that because my heart doesn't beat in good rhythm, that's why I don't have a good rhythm. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm still beating you, Dharma, in the Rift of the Necro Dancer either way. Not for me. Some way of building chords can create certain emotions. It's a proven thing. To be fair, I really enjoy music. more for the lyrics than for the melody. If there's a melody that I like, I'm not gonna have any strong emotion about it if I can't relate to the lyrics as well. If it's a very beautiful song but it's just talking about two people having sex, then I don't care. I don't care about it. I'm not gonna feel a thing. But musicals though, whether it's a movie or if it's in a theater, musicals always make me feel a lot of emotions. BPM is just a way to measure beats per minute. It doesn't specifically belong to music or heart rate. Yeah, but some people want to give it meaning. And they're like, yeah, I wrote that song in that heart rate BPM because I wanted to relate that feeling to people. And that's just another way to give meaning to stuff. And I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, I was never good at music anyways. Same goes with my singing. You know firsthand that it's pretty cursed. Still, it's not stopping me. And I'm still beating you in a rift. Oh my gosh, why am I so annoying? Anyways. Alright, it's getting really late. And oh, it's been a long time since I've streamed for so long. Alright, I'm gonna go now. I'm really looking forward to anything you guys are working on. I can't read sheet music, by the way. It's not that hard though, if you try. I mean, some of them can get complicated, but you know the basics, right? The key, the notes, the slash and the wriggle, right? And it's sometimes a circle, sometimes it has a tail. I mean, if you really wanted to learn how to read sheet music, it wouldn't take you that long. I can do the basics, but it takes me a very long time to read it all. It comes with practice, I believe. Like when I was learning piano, 1 month into it, and I was able to read the basics really easily. Nothing that I was playing was very complicated, but I knew enough to be able to read like Joe Hisaiishi's music, like the Ghibli music movies and stuff. I wasn't good enough to play it correctly, but I don't know. I think that's the easiest part of it. At least I know chords pretty good. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. I don't think I did know the chords, but maybe not all of them. I don't know actually. I was working on jazz progressions and stuff. Apart from learning whatever music I wanted to learn, my teacher was pretty dope. But yeah, just it's gonna come with time. It's funny, I refer to chords with letters and to notes as do re mi. Yeah, that's funny. I think it's weird to like stick to one or the other. I know that my piano teacher was really into the letters. She didn't like the do re mi or whatever, I don't remember the reason. So we did everything with the letters instead. It depends on where you are from mostly. Yeah, I think it's a choice. I think it depends on the teacher. or on a personal choice? Because I know that my teacher said it was personal to her. She said, yeah, I know do, re, mi, etc. But I do prefer the letters for... I don't remember the reason. But she had a reason for it. She could work in both, but she had a preference. Because I think when she went to music school, she used to do do, re, mi stuff. Aw. I wish I could still learn piano, but then I wouldn't have time to do the animation, and then I wouldn't have time to do the code, so you know. I prefer do, re, mi. The letters are better for chords though. Well, whatever works for you, really. Because it's written the same way on the page. No, whatever works for you. Nah, whatever works for you. Alright, well, as usual, it takes me forever to say goodbye, but I think it's time to say goodbye. It's getting late. And you guys have a lot of projects you're working on, so have fun with that. That's the most important. Even though I know you're probably buried under frustration, I know that feeling. Today was harsh. Today was like every time meeting my own undoing. But I still, yeah, I kind of feel like I still know a little bit more than I did on the first day. So that's something. I can set up animations pretty easily now. Even though I break the codes from time to time. Okay, I'm saying goodbye for real. There we go. No. There we go. We're saying goodbye now. Goodbye for real. Thank you, Dama. Congratulations, you were last time. That trophy doesn't mean anything anymore. It meant something there when there were a lot of you guys. But now it's just you, so obviously it's not much of a fight. But you still get 3 trophies every time. Thank you for streaming. No, thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out and for having fun. 3 times last. Yeah, that's still you. Oh, damn, careful! But Dama hasn't called it yet. No, thank you for being here. Okay. Okay, well, it feels like you really do want to have your own channel, Dama, so you can say that to people. I want 3 times, Kifo can have it. Well, but Kifo called it and you didn't, so if you don't call it, Kifo will win. Anyway guys, thank you for being here and have a wonderful rest of your day, not running out in dusk and all that's in between. Yeah, winning for me. Yeah, winning for Kifo. Streaming was that. Well, that's the thing you did the other day when I was watching you play Celeste. While I was listening to Maru doing a presentation on something that's too difficult for me to comprehend. But anyways, see you guys! See you next time! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye!